Your Newline Interactive Flat Panel is basically a really big Android tablet. It can do more than just project your lesson. I'm Megan Hoffman, a technology integration specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Have you checked out the apps that are available to download directly to your Newline? Click the Apps button on the homepage shortcuts. Find the Newline App Store. Explore. There are lots of options. Just like your phone or tablet, you can download and install apps on your Newline IFP by clicking download and waiting a minute or two while it installs. When installing changes to open, the app is ready for you to use. You can find the apps that you download when you click on the Apps button on the home page. Bonus tip. If there are apps that you use often, add them to the Quick Access Toolbar. Click on the plus Add button, select Apps, and then check the apps you want to easily access. You can add up to 5 apps to the Quick Access Toolbar. For more information, explanations, and inspiration, check out the SWWC Technology Integration channel on YouTube. And remember to click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now you can add apps to make your Newline Interactive Flat Panel even more useful.